Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how to use your MacBook Air M2 effectively. First, get familiar with the trackpad gestures, like you can swipe up with 4 fingers to open your desktop and add more desktop to your page or window, and you can swipe right with 4 fingers to enable swiping between different pages. As you can see, it is as simple as this, or 3 fingers, or you can simply use 4 fingers and drag it inwards to open your all apps. As you can see here, this is very simple and very user friendly. Now explore Finder to manage your files and folders. The Finder is this logo over here at the bottom of your page, the icon like this, and it will appear everything like this. Open system settings to customize things like docs, wallpapers, notification and accessibilities option to make your MacBook more personal. To open settings, if you don't find it, you can simply press command and space button and write here settings, and you will be able to open your settings easily. Now you can check out pre-installed apps like Safari, Mails and Notes, which will help you get started with productivity and entertainment. There are pre-installed apps on your MacBook like Safari and Notes. They are very useful for beginners. And that's it guys, now you know the basics of using MacBook Air M2. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.